mahinahan yung sound. To Noah, pag meron ka ng isip, I want you to know, kaya inimbitahan ko si Ka Jerry Kibilan dito, si Mr. Joe Cato. Kasi kami mga Ilocano, Mr. Joe Cato, kami mga dugong hapon. May middle name Sayano, may maternal grandfathers, kasi Japanese. Kaya kaibigan ko si Mr. Joe Cato, my sensei. Kaya Noah, I want you to know your pedigree. Yung apelido natin na Pasyon, originally po yan ay Edralin de la Pasyon from Sarat, Ilocos Norte. So, kamag-anak po namin by blood si President Marcos Sr. Kasi yung mother niya, si Doña Josepa Edralin Marcos, tinanggal po yung de la Pasyon kasi American period, pagkatawanan ka na pag mahaba yung apelido mo. So, tinanggal ni Doña Josepa yung de la Pasyon. Yung lolo ko naman, tinanggal yung Edralin nila. Pero pag tinignan po ninyo sa ancestry, makikita nyo ang ancestor namin, sina Francisco Edralin de la Pasyon. So Edralin de la Pasyon po talaga yung apelido. At yung Francisco na yon, doon pinangalan yung tatay ko, at si Noah. Kaya Noah Frank. No? Doon ang galing yun. And then, sa mother side ko naman, yun nga, yung maternal grandfather ko, tawag dito, Hapon. Pero, during the Japanese time, kasi pinalaya sila sa Japan, mga Christian sila sa Japan, bawal ang Christianity sa Japan. So, pinamili sila, gusto ba ninyong manatili sa Japan? Pupuhutan namin kayo ng ulo o mag-convert kayo. Ayaw nila mag-convert back to the Japanese Shinto religion. So, they left. They went to the Philippines. And during the Japanese time, nililigaw niya yung mga Hapon. Nandito yung mga guerrilla, dadalhin nando sa kabila. So after the war, he was honored by the Republic of the Philippines. He was given I think the rank of colonel, and he became the chief of police in our town in Bohol, Kandihay, Bohol. So ito yung mga pinanggalingan ni Noah. And then, yung mother side naman, yung lola ko sa mother side, Amora po ang apelido noon. If you were born earlier, maybe you would remember the so-called king of Visayan movies, si Ben Amora. Bale, grand uncle yon ng nanay ko. But although grand uncle siya ng nanay ko, we were close to him. Nagpupunta siya sa bahay namin. And then he was a city councilor of Davao. Originally, the Amoras were from Kandihay, Bohol. They were together with Francisco Dagohoy. Remember, 85 years, yung Bohol po, hindi nasakop ng mga Kastila. 85 years po na independent yung Bohol from Spanish occupation. No? And after that, sumama po sa Katipunan. Itong mga Amora, sila po yung founders ng Katipunan doon sa Bohol. And then they founded the Aglipayan Church in Bohol. So, mga revolutionary po talaga ito, mga nationalist. So, and then my father naman, sa labor front naman siya. No? He founded the first labor union in the restaurant industry, Selecta Restaurant. And then when he went to Saudi Arabia, he founded the first NGO, non-government organization, catering to the rights and welfare of overseas workers, the Association of Filipino Overseas Workers Incorporated, or AFOWI. Now, few people know that many presidential decrees, letters of instruction of President Marcos, were actually written by my father, just signed by President Marcos Sr. And he was also trusted by Carlos Ogle when it comes to overseas workers. So ito po yung pedigree ni Noah. Ngayon, research ko naman to sa Estur. Their Estur surname is French pala, I found out. No? French. And from Sorsogon, alam po ninyo, idol ko si Gringo Nasan. Also, Mercato, siya po yung sa Joint Manning Group. One of the biggest groups of
It's the
employers.
biggest. It's the biggest.
It's the biggest pala. Yun yung bumubuhay sa ating economy, no? Yung mga seafarers. And then si Mr. Jerry Kibilan po, yung tatay niya was the mayor of Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. And sadly, nakidnap po yung father niya. Up to now, hindi pa rin nakikita po yung remains. So, tsaka, descendant din po siya ni President Quirino, one of the founders of the Liberal Party. President Marcos, as you know, was with the Liberal Party since 1946 up to 1963 or 64. And then lumipat siya sa Nacionalista and he became president, vice president na si Lopez. And then ABL, yun isang bagong lipunan ng mga nationalista, liberal, ibaga. So, yan, dito po tayo sa history. Inimbitahan ko rin po si Mr. Ricky Tana, ayan, at saka si Mr. Mark Tuason, mga taga-House of Representatives po. Mahilig din sa history yung mga yan. So, yun po. Noah, I hope you will become great one day and you will not forget your roots na ipaglaban mo ang karapatan ng mga ordinaryong tao, mga manggagawa, no, lalo na. Kasi sila yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong. Thank you very much.